Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. This has to be the most exciting and fun unboxing video I've done in the recent times. As you can see, it's weekend, right? I didn't even go to my studio. I'm at my home in my casual attire, and thing is, Xiaomi has sent us a special package, guys. So Xiaomi is launching their brand new Redmi K series phone on 28th July in the next 2 to 3 days. And for the same thing, these guys have sent us like a media package, and that too, this is like completely unexpected. There is no phone on the inside. Phone will be coming at a later part. And but let me tell you, as soon as I unboxed and saw this thing now, I was like completely blown away. You people won't even expect what's inside this thing, and this is what we'll be checking out in this video. So it came in this sort of packaging, very big box, guys. As you can see, complete black box, and it says Redmi over here. There's a K logo over here in eccentric green color, and that's it. Nothing much on the packaging. So let's quickly unbox and let me show you what did we actually get inside this thing. Ta-da! So thing is now I've already like unboxed and had like a sneak peek inside. I couldn't wait, and let me tell you, this is how the packaging came like. And now you might be wondering like, "Arey, what is this? Sort of looks like a racetrack, right?" And by looking at the video's title, you might have already got an idea, right? Yep, this is a car, guys. So Xiaomi has sent us like a special RC car. I mean, look at this thing. That too, this is the Redmi edition car. Oh boy, look at this thing. It's a racing RC car. You know, these sort of cars are used in, off-road tracks and stuff like that. And I am like super excited to show it to you in this video. Just look at this thing. I feel like a kid back again playing with these things. In the package, you also got this, a special note, which is basically like the invite thing. It says that, greetings from Redmi India. We'll be launching their K series, brand new Redmi K50i 5G phone on 20th July. So stay tuned for that. And for the car, you basically get like a RC remote as well. So it's like a hand joystick. You got like a trigger over here, which is used to control the acceleration or the braking or taking the reverse thing. And this knob over here is used to control the steering as left or right. And lastly, you get like an adapter to charge the battery for the car. Now, how cool is this, guys? This is the coolest media invite any brand has ever sent in India. So yeah, I have to hand it over to Xiaomi for this. So if you people don't know, I love RC toys, guys. Either it be drones or cars or boats, anything. I love to collect them since the childhood. So I've got like a big collection. If you guys are actually interested, I can show you that maybe in some other video. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll just give you like a closer look right now and show you this particular RC car from Xiaomi. So as you can see at the top, you got the Redmi logo over here, says K series, and love the color combination also. Just look at this thing, black and eccentric green color, looks absolutely stunning. And also look at the wheels, guys. And look at this, it even has like a tiny shock absorber. So this thing is basically like an off-roader RC car. You can use it in all sorts of terrains, like maybe, mud roads or maybe, any sort of holes. Not an issue at all. You can use this car in any sort of surface. So pretty excited to actually put this thing to a test. And good thing is this thing already came with like built-in battery. So you don't need to worry about the batteries also. Just switch on this thing and there you go. Lights have already powered on. And to pair it with the remote, you just need to switch it on, and that's it, guys. Both of these things are like already paired and good to go. Just hit the trigger and you're good to go. Oh, I can't wait to, play with this thing. Let me just quickly put it on the ground and show you how this thing works. As I've told you, you've got like a trigger to control the acceleration or braking or reverse thing. And this wheel to the right side is used to control the left and right steering. Oh boy, now that is actually like quite powerful. Look at this thing. This thing is jumping. Let's go outside and do this thing.